Do you know, over the years I've learnt to deal with bullies, whether they're physical or emotional, racist, sexist, or whatever. And the way I deal with it is with my therapy hat on. If someone's like, wah, 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 I just stand there and I think, it's interesting, what's that about? Because it isn't about me, is it? Because you don't know me. Because if you knew me, you wouldn't be saying that. So what is that about? God, you're in a bad place. So what I do when someone's, wow, are you okay? Totally takes the steam out of the sails, I tell you. And you know what? It ain't about you. It's about them.